Welcome to Costa Rica, one of the most beautiful countries in the world. Here you'll see a monkey jumping from tree to tree, trying to find mangoes or other fruit to feed its family. This is a natural pool.
It says Paquera going to Punta Arenas. Island in the background. Cruise ships in Punta Arenas.
Many people call the Nicoya Peninsula home. One of the many sunsets all over the Pacific coast. This is a very large, ancient tree. Maybe it's called an yellow. It's near Cabuya, Costa Rica, which is close to Punta Arenas. About 3 kilometers from Montezuma.
This is Cemetery Island in Cabuya. When it's dry, when it's like summertime, you can actually walk out onto the island. It's about 1 kilometer. Really pretty. Aquí estoy en la isla del cementerio, Cabuya.
Costa Rica is a peaceful country located in the Western Hemisphere. It's situated in the Central American Isthmus, immediately north of Panama, and it ports with both the Atlantic and the Pacific Oceans, with about 153 highway miles between them. I've called Costa Rica home for about 2 years, and it's a great place to live, great place to work, and I call it home right now. Pura vida.